fashionistas, it's Alyssa, the stylist, and today I'm really excited because I've always watched Nikkia Joy's YouTube videos. I just love her, and I've finally got my hands on some of her cosmetics. Ah, yes! I brought two, what are they called? Pigments. That's the one. I brought two eyeshadow pigments and the mixing medium. And the two pigments I brought are called Gravity and Meringue. So I think I'm going to today go with the Gravity, just because I feel like that will go better with my red lip than the Meringue, which is like a real pinky colour. But I think the Gravity one's gonna look cool. Well, without further ado, let's get started and playing with makeup. So I'm just trying to open up the box without ripping it because it's really cute. No, I ripped it. I ripped it. I think I'm gonna have to rip it. Oh my goodness. Ah. Oh, look at that color. Let's open it up. It's good they've got a little sticker on it so it doesn't spill, but oh, how exciting. And I'll show you what the mixing medium looks like unboxed. It was much more easy to unbox than that, but oh, let's get started. So I just got a small dish and sprinkled a bit in here, so that's as much as I put in, and I'm going to just put a drop or two in and mix it and then apply it to my eyes. So I've just mixed it all in and I've got a bit on my brush and I'm doing this. Oh my god, that is insane. So beautiful. All right, I'm gonna finish it off, and here's the end result of the eye look. It's an awesome color, but I don't like how I've applied it. I think I need some practice in using it, but I kind of look like the evil octopus lady from Ariel. This one. But yeah, no, I love it, but I just need to practice using it. So that's all for today, my fashionistas. So like and subscribe, comment if you want, and I'll see you next time. Bye.